Excellent. So I'm just going to ask you to stay as still as possible. And as I mentioned, your ear is very traumatised with the cotton bud use, and the wax is right up against the joint. If you hear any sudden shooting sounds, just the wax travelling up your tooth, so don't be alarmed. Very loud. It is. It's a good sign in some respect. Because it's right near the eardrum as well. It's a bit blocked. It's just going through. So see your eardrum now, it's fully visible. It may also be slightly retracted like the other one, but we'll do another test in a moment. You've just got some peripheral wax, which I'm going to use another instrument to remove it with, so it's a bit quieter now. Yeah. It's one of the things with suction, it's a vacuum, so it is a bit noisy.
It's near the eardrum as well.
Yeah, and there's no other way. Sometimes we can use other instruments to remove the wax, but in your case, because the wax is compressed against the eardrum, we can't use any other instrument really. There's a Jobson Hornback and ear spoon, they're correct, which we can use to gently scoop out soft wax. There's also an ear hook, which we generally use for harder wax, but in both those instances, the wax should be more lateral, so near the entrance of the ear, so we can insert the instrument behind the wax and gently extract. But when the wax is against the drum, then like it was in your case, there's no other way.
I can hear you saying stuff, but I can't really hear it at the moment.
I'm probably speaking quite softly as well. And obviously you've got this suction noise in your ear, so I'll explain afterwards.
No worries.
That bit, because your ear's a bit traumatised on the posterior canal wall, which is the back part of the ear canal. It's a bit of soft wax, but I don't want to make any contact with that, but I can fully see your eardrum. That looks okay. I'll just play that back to you now.
Fair enough.